to third. Looks like John's going to take the face-off. Jack to his right, Randy to his left. Well, they're on defense. We've got Nolan and Dakota. Let's go Hawks. We win the face-off back to Nolan. He's going to send it over to Jack. Take it into the zone. Dump it behind the net. Randy in the corner. Oh, okay, we're going to call tripping. And Nolan goes in the box. So Jack taking the face off from Randy and Dakota out there. We've got Zach back on defense now. Portland on the PK. Randy putting a little pressure on. Jack in there with him. Dakota takes it to the red line, dumps it back in 10th zone. Kent looking to make a move, can't quite get it out of the zone. Randy there putting pressure. We've got Jack here at the blue line, Zach and Dakota back on D. Kent manages to clear it out of their zone and runs into Zach at the corner there. Randy. Zach doing a great job keeping on the outside. Zach sends it around to Dakota. Dakota clears the zone, but right into the chest of a Kent player. Kent passing. Dakota gets control and dumps it out. All the way back. 48 seconds left in the penalty. Portland makes a change. Noah makes a stop. And a little bouncing puck. We're going to have a face-off with 13:21 left in the third. 40 seconds left on our penalty. We've got Walker, Caleb, Justin, and John. Caleb sends it around. Nice hard shot, sends it all the way down. Walker chasing, keeping the pressure on Kent. Kent gets control, sends it up the neutral zone, enters. Justin and Caleb keep it away from our net. Walker sends it out. Caleb controls and sends it back out. Our penalty is over. We're back full strength. And we've got Sammy, Owen, and Griffin on for Portland. Justin and Caleb on defense. That's Owen taking control. Keeps it in. Kent picks it up. Sends it up to Nolan. We've got Nolan and Dakota on D now with Sammy, Griffin, and Owen. Griffin and Owen battling it out against the boards there behind the net. Griffin comes up with it, tries to shot, but not quite able to make it into the net. Kent's going to bring it down, and Nolan's going to take control. What do you think? Sammy clears the zone. Sammy Griff goes after it. Nolan with a nice little right there. Get the puck off Kent's stick. Sends it back into the neutral zone. Looks like we're going to make a change for Portland. Kent passes up. Trying to capitalize on that line change. Can't quite do it. So we've got Greg, Walker, and Gabe on. Kent in control, Gabe chasing. Greg picks it up as it goes along the boards. Gonna send it in for a shot. Stopped by Kent's goalie. Kent clears it out, passes to center. And Dakota's back in the corner to pick it up. Send it up to Walker. Kent gets a hold of it in the neutral zone. Dakota and Nolan on D. Nice shot. Blocked by Noah. They're going to send it again. Noah's going to block it with pass. Walker picks it up far side and clears his zone. Walker over to Greg. He's going to take it in for Portland. Send it to the Kent goalie, who shoots it into the corner. We've got Dylan and Greg, and Gabe, Zach, and Justin on the ice for Portland right now. Justin takes it, sends it in, and oh man, Kent goalie lets it out, but can't capitalize. Justin again, sending it back to Gabe, sends it up to Greg and into the Kent goalie. Looks like Zach sent it center, but Justin holds it in. Portland's going to make a change. Dylan chasing behind the net. Zach holding on the line there, and Kent's going to dump it in. Justin chasing. Got Owen and Dylan. And Nicholas on. Owen and Justin battling in that corner there. Owen comes up with it. Gives it to Nicholas, who's going to pass it over to Dylan. Can't quite reach it. Kent takes control. Nicholas there to intercept that pass. Takes a shot. Rebound. Dylan banks it in. Got a point for Conway. And a point for Nystrom. Nice teamwork to get that puck in the net there. Looks like we're going to keep the same line. Owen's going to take the face off. Nicholas to his left, Dylan to his right. Dylan comes up with it, sends it back to Caleb. Over to Nolan. Up to Dylan. He's going to dump it in. Kent goalie back to play it. Sends it around. Owen is there. Justin gonna hold it in over to Nolan. Nolan takes the shot and it gets tipped into the net. Wow. Nolan from the point. Nice little tip right into the back of the net. So let's see what we've got. Portland strikes again. 8:26 left to play in the third. Portland 7, Kent 2. We've got John going to take the face off. Jack and Randy out there with him. John sends it in. Jack chasing. Nolan and Caleb on defense. And takes a shot way wide. Nolan battling in the corner there, and Randy's going to come up with it, looks like. Nolan over to Caleb, who tries to send it up to Jack. Randy ends up coming up with it and sends it in. Kent goalie blocks it to the corner. Caleb taking on one-on-one. Noah's going to send that over to the corner. Nolan comes up with it. Oh, ouch. Kent not giving up. Straight into the chest of Noah. .7:14 left to play in the third. Sammy gonna take the face off. Owen and Griffin out there with him. Dakota and Zach on D. Zach takes it behind the net. Passes it up to Sammy. Nolan goes around behind the net, manages to lift Kent's stick and take control. Kent sends it, they're gonna not even close to icing. Dakota up to Sammy, who sends it to Owen, but Owen can't quite hold on to it. Kent sends it into the corner. Ooh, bouncy puck. Dakota comes up with it. And looks like Owen clears the zone, takes it in. Tries to center it. Stopped by Kent's goalie. Zach has it. He's going to send it in deep. Kent's goalie blocks. Owen sends it in to Sammy, who manages to tip it in. That's 8 Portland, 2 Kent. What a repeat of last week. This is crazy.
But they're still not playing it, but the thing.
What was this last night? And we're going to have Gabe take the face-off. Greg on his left, Walker on his right. Caleb and Justin back on defense. Gabe sends it back to Caleb. Justin sends it back up to Gabe. He's going to take it into the zone. Shot. Deflected behind the net by the Kent goalie. Kent's in control, taking it through the neutral. Trying to get around Caleb, can't do it. Walker reaching, can't quite make it, doesn't make it into the zone. Portland clears out, and Kent sends it down for a line change. Noah behind the net to play it. Over to Caleb. Caleb's going to tip it into Everett zone. Gabe tries to take it from Everett, or Kent. I'm going to say Everett all the time, sorry. Caleb clears it out, and it's going to be an ice. Sammy's going to take the face off. Nicholas to his left. Dylan to his right. Dakota and Nolan on defense. Nolan takes it behind the net, sends it up to Dylan. Nolan comes up with it again. It's a hit into the boards for his trouble. Sammy picks it up. Over to Nolan, who sends it in. Deflected by Kent's goalie. Dakota up to Nicholas. And it's going to wrap behind the net. Kent's going to take control. Sammy gets it back. Can't hold on to it. Kent sends it in. Noah with the glove. .419 left to play in the third. Portland 8, Kent 2. Holy goodness. John taking the face off, Jack and Randy out there with him. Dakota and Nolan on defense. John brings it out of the zone, and Jack takes it into Kent's end. And wrap it around, try and get it in, but Kent's goalie's there to stop it. Kent regains control. Sends it around behind our net. Nolan's going to be there to pick it up. Randy comes out with that in front of the net. Can't hold on to it. Kent sends it back. And Dakota clears it out. Kent in control. Bringing it down. Nolan on defense there. Kent centers it. Can't connect. sends it up to John. He's going to take it down, send it. Play wide. And Zach's going to take it at the red line, bring it back into Kent's zone. 1-on-1, takes a shot, wide. Sammy comes in, brings it down into the corner. It's like Owen there to help him. They get it centered, and Griffin buries it. All right, 9-2 Portland with 2:42 left to play in the third. So Sammy and Owen center it up to Griffin, who buries it top corner. Sammy taking the face off. Owen to his right. Griff to his left. Zach over to Justin. Back to Zach. Owen's going to try and grab it, but it sends it back to Zach, who's up to Owen. Owen to Sammy. Sammy. Beautiful shot. So 10-2 Portland with 2:27 left to play. Quit. And the boys are all bartering for points on the ice.
My assist. Where's my pad? Come on.
Sammy taking the face off. Back to Zach. Back over to Justin. Justin sends it up. Kent takes it off Owen's stick, sends it back around behind our net. Zach behind the net. Oh, Owen takes him back. And there's some shenanigans behind the net there. Justin clears the zone. While our guys recover. Zach's going to go back and retrieve it from the corner. Send it over to the neutral zone. He's aiming for Sammy. Noah back behind the net to play the puck. Zach's going to send it over to Justin with Griff there. Can't quite settle it down. Kent sends it in, but Zach is right there in center. A mess, but the pops right out. Oh, and Kent with a laser into the net. Noah not happy. Zach's gonna take that penalty. So Portland on the PK with 1:20 to go in the third. Gabe, Greg, and Walker out there. Caleb getting some clarification from the ref. So Caleb's going to stay on, Marker's going to go off. Gabe's going to take the face off. Kent comes up with it, sends it into the corner. Caleb tries to clear it out, but can't quite make it out of the zone. Kent would try to take a shot, blocked. Greg clears it out, sends it into the far corner. Gabe chasing, gets a hold of it. Greg putting the pressure on. Caleb back, sends it in. 48 seconds left to play in the third. Kent regains control, takes it into our zone. Centers it, and Noah sends it off to the boards. Kent tries to send it back. Nolan's there to pick it up. Skate it out of the zone. And send it into the corner. 26 seconds left to play. Nolan loses a stick in the corner. Kent comes up with the puck. Looking for some opportunities. They pass it up. No Nobody there from Kent to grab it, so Nolan takes it behind our net. 5 seconds left to play. And that's game. That's all she wrote. So Portland ends up. And that's the game from Kent, Washington. And we'll see all you folks at home this afternoon. My pleasure. And in true fashion, the boys are mugging for the camera a little bit. Ooh, like there's some serious conversation on the ice going on there. I think Zach and Noah were talking about the last penalty.